Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmates. So, we are the groups who assigned to report this topic, which is main groups of shoplifter. So, first, what is shoplifter? Shoplifter is a person who takes goods from a store without paying for them. Shoplifting can involve hiding items on one shelf or in bags, changing price tags, or swapping packaging to pay less or avoid paying altogether. Shoplifting is a type of theft and is against the law in most places. So, this shoplifter is under gyapon siya sa kinds of theft or under siya sa theft. But, ang pagpangawat niya is sa sulod sa shop ra or sa establishment or gibuhat ang pagpangawat or panguha niya sa sulod sa isa ka store like NCC, Unicap or any establishment. So, mao na ang shoplifter. So, shoplifter range from amateurs to career criminals who habitually engage in shoplifting as a form of income. So, career criminals may use several individuals to shoplift, with some participants distracting store employees while another participants steal items or they are accomplice. So, group gyapon nay uban nga naga-shoplift is grupo or napay uban nga solo lang sila ra own ra nila na pangawat or sila lang ang nagapangawat napay uban grupo. So, amateurs typically steal products for personal use, while career criminals generally steal items to resell them in the underground economy. So, other forms of shoplifting include swapping price labels of different items or return fraud or consuming food and drink at grocery store without paying for it. So, commonly, shoplift items are those with a high price in proportion to their size, such as disposable razor, blades, electronic device, or alcoholic beverages, and other items or personal goods. So, let's proceed to the main groups of shoplifter. So, these are the main group of shoplifter. So, the first one is opportunistic thieves or petty shoplifters. Shoplifters who are not readily distinguishable from ordinary customers steal items for personal use. So, this means shoplifter. This means opportunistic thieves or petty shoplifters. Dili sila ilhan nga kanang nagapangawat like same lang sila sa ordinary customers but na sila di ay kay naga-shoplift or nagapanguha or naga-steal og items for personal use. So these are the opportunistic thieves or petty shoplifters. So an example, they may not have planned to steal anything beforehand, but when they come across an opportunity, they seize the chance to commit theft. So these thieves operate on the spur of the moment, so capitalizing on the situation where security measures are lax or absent. So that is opportunistic thieves. So these petty shoplifters, kanang petty shoplifter is kanang gamay rag value or kanang gamay rag value ang gikuha or gikawat. So that is petty shoplifter. So in this part, my group mates are the one who talk over or discuss about it, but I will also give some understanding about this topic, this part. So, more determined thieves. So, more determined thieves usually operates alone and steal small quantities of goods to sell, often to support drug vice. So what is the meaning of this? So more determined thieves is usually solo ra sila manguha, like what I've said earlier katong first ako giingon nga na solo na grupo. So this determined thieves is solo ra sila manguha or mangawat, then ilahang ginakuha is small amount lang of goods like gatas, biscuits, or any pagkaon para ibaligya po nila sa uban to sustain their bisyo or ilahang mga bisyo like sa ilahang pagpanigarilyo or ilahang inom or any unsa pa ilahang mga bisyo diya to support lang sa ilahang bisyo. So next, the third one is the group of organized thieves or professional or organized retail theft steal large quantities of goods for resale. Excuse me. So group of organized thieves. So organized thieves, these are the organized crime or local group of centralized enterprises run to engage in illegal activity. So most commonly for profit. So organized retail crime refers to professional criminal enterprises ranging from regional gangs to international crime rings and other organized crime focusing on retail environments. Operations include truck jacking, shoplifting, smash and grab cargo, thief and cargo diversion. So katong gingon ako ganina na apoy grupo. So these are the one or group of organized thieves or professional. Then ang ilahang ginakuha is big or large quantities of goods for resale. So next is what is the punishment for shoplifting? So for small amount like 70 pesos, the crime may be considered as petty theft, but it is still a criminal offense that carries like legal consequence. So penalties may range from arresto menor to imprisonment for 1 to 30 days to prison major imprisonment for 6 years and 1 day to 12 years depending on the various factors. So kung 70 pesos lang ang ilahang amount nga na kuha, makonsider siya as petty theft, but depende sa kung unsa iyang pila yang nakuha or pila yang nakuha, then mag-range siya og arresto menor to prison mayor. So narana kung depende lang siya makuha. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. We're gonna talk about more determined thieves usually operates alone and steal small quantities of goods to sell often to support drug vice. Okay. Needs are essential for human to survive. Unfortunately, there are some who cannot afford that everyday needs. Because of this idea of being thieves arises, some does it to survive and some does it to support drug vice. Kini siya ng mga butang is ang uban para sa kawat-on na ilang nahimo na mag-commit o kawat o shoplifting sa usa ka tindahan para lang masuportahan ang ilahang panginabuhi tag-adlaw para makakaon sila. Og naapoy uban na gisuporta para sa ilahang pagkuan para silang pang drugs. And needs and want of an individual had a great impact also in doing such crimes. They urged to do such because they needed to and wanted to. And one common act of crime is shoplifting. Kapara sa ingon ganiha na mao to siya. And it's undeniable up to this day that we will still have shoplifters roaming around the store. Mas mo nang nakakuan common sa tuang panahon karon is ang mga mga shoplifters na sila sa palibot di gina mawala labaw na duol sa tindahan. And then thought CCTV cameras are installed and security guard is on duty, still they do shoplifting using their own strategies as achieves. Masin pag na sa CCTV camera or mga security guard ba diha, makabuhat gyapon na sila paraan para lang maka-commit og crime like shoplifting. Shoplifters sila, tawag na sila, or mga thieves sila. And this type of thieves are determined and does not fear of the consequences behind this act of crime. And mostly, they do such crime to support their bad habit. Dili lang kay para silang panginabuhi matag adlaw, ila po ning ila ning ginabuhat para silang bad habit. Like gamit sila mga ginapagbawal na gamot, mainly because of addiction to a drug which called na kanang ginapagbawal sa nagamot sa like for example kanang ilang weed or cocaine, shabu mga like for example katong balita sa TV nang usa ka lalaki nangawat sa usa ka tindahan na nagkantidad og mahalon nya iya tong gikawat to siya kay para masuportahan ang iyahang drug ay bad habit or iyahang pagsabu ba diha or pag-take ba og mga bawal na gamot. Mao na say sabal na. And underage individuals are the ones doing this act, for they does not go to jail as they believe and shall instead go to the facility which they are being take care of as they go on to rehabilitation period. And isa pod sa kasagaran nagabuhat aning mga shoplifters kini sila kay kaparehas ni sa muang mga idara, kaparehas sa mga bagong tubo na mga bata na kan nag sulay-sulay na og mga inadik, dili na og ginatanan ha, lagi kasagaran para lang makapalit sila sa ilahang kasagaran mo gud nabalitaan ni is kanang mga batan-on gud, kasagaran gud batan-on gud ang nagabuhat ani kay ngano nagsalig sila na dili sila mapriso kay lagi tungod common kay bata mo na sila gagara na sila, sige sila buhat og ingana kay lagi dili mapriso kay ilabay lang sa kantay DSWD diri sa tuwa DSWD o i-rehab lang idi sa may kinsay mahasol ang gobyerno na pod sila pa nangawat, sila pa gipakaon gatiman, wala gyapon ta. As this type of crime arises which commonly by underage individuals, and an act also should be implemented by the government, such as creating special programs for the youth like promoting sports and community works for them to be proactively active and to avoid doing and minding the kanang mga ginapangbawal para ma-less na ang ilang ginahimo. Nag-provide ang government og mga programs like sports, basketballs, soccer, or mga takraw, any kind of sports para lang ma-active ang mga bata, mga batan-on sa mga ingana na binuhaton o para malimtan na nila ang ilahang ginahimo na bawal like ang pagpanguha og mga butang para lang ika-suporta sa ilahang bisyo or sa ilahang needs. Naara na sa diya pero kasagaran gid ilang ginahimo is para sa ilahang bisyo. Like sa akong topic is, ang akong topic is, mhm, like, more determined chiefs, usually operates alone and still small quantities of goods to sell, often to support drug vice. Nangawat sila para naikasuporta sa ilahang bisyo na mga drogas or ipinagbabawal na gamot. And that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Ang topic na na-assign sa ko is group of organized thieves, professional or organized retail theft steals large quantities of goods for resale. So, muna siya ang mga grupo na organized na mga kawatan or mananakaw or professional retail steals na nagapanguha sila or nagakawat og dako or daghan na mga goods or things sa sulod sa tindahan para ibaligyan nila og balik. Ginasulod nila sa ilang packet, bag, or unsa pa ilang masudlan para matago ang ilang gipangkawat. Tas mugawas din sila sa store na wala nila ginabayaran ang ilang gikuha, tapos ibaligyan nila og balik or ibaligyan nila sa line store na mas brato ang price sa ilang gikuha. Ang retail theft or shoplifting or shaft theft is naga-define siya sa pagpangawat, naga-define yapon siya sa pagpangawat sa mga tindahan nga ginabuhat sa mga customer or employee sa pamagitan ng wrong taking of merchandise or mga baligya na ginakuha na mawawa lang sila sa store na dili ginabayaran. For example, na mga grupo sa mga kawatan na nasa linagian isa ka store na dili kayo kuan ng security na makaya na nila kuan, then gisulod to nila na store, then gipanguha nila mga baligya or mga butang dito sa store na pwede nila kuanon, then nigawas lang sila sa store, dala tong mga baligya or mga butang na ilang gipanguha na wala sila nabayaran o wala nila gibayaran. So mao lang daw ko and kuan dai, then pag nakuha na to nila sa store, then ibaligya to nila sa line store na mas brato or ilang ipang kuan sa lain mga tao para baligyan nila na mas brato to lang gipangkuha sa store na ilang gipangkawat.
What is the punishment of shoplifting? For a small amount like 750 pesos, the crime may be considered as petty theft, but it is still a criminal offense that crimes legal consequence. Penalties may be range for arrest to minor, imprisonment for 1 to 30 days, to prison mayor for imprisonment for 6 years and 1 day to 12 years, depending on various factors. Ito ay maliit na halaga ng pagnanakaw. Petty theft means ay isang crime that based on the low value of stolen property. Ito ay most commonly shoplifting. Arresto minor. Under the revised penal code, it is the penalty of imprisonment of 1 to 30 days or 6 years to 12 years, but it depends what act did he commit. Individual caught shoplifting can be arrested and detained while preliminary investigation are conducted. Criminal charge. If found guilty, the individual could face imprisonment and A few fine or severity of the punishment depend on the value of the item stolen among other factors. Article 309, Revised Penal Code. Any person guilty of the theft should be punished. The penalty of prison mayor is its minimum and medium periods if the value of the thing stolen is more than 1,200,000 pesos, but does not exceed 2,200,000 pesos. But if the value of the thing stolen exceeds the latter amount, the penalty should be maximum period in 1 year for additional 1,000,000 pesos. But the total of penalty which may be imposed should not exceed 20 years. In such a case, in connection with the accessory of penalties which may be imposed for the purpose of the other provision of this code, penalty should be termed prison mayor or reclusion temporal. Ang parusa ng prison mayor ay sa minimum at medium period nito kung ang ninakaw ay 1,000,000, ngunit kung ang halaga ay lumampas sa huling halaga, ang pinakamataas na panahon ng ito ay 1 taon, ngunit ang kabuuang parusa ay maaaring hindi lumampas sa 20 taon sa ganitong mga kaso. Ito ay tinatawag prison mayor o reclusion temporal. Prison mayor means ay pagkakulong ng 6 na taon and 1 day to 12 years. Reclusional temporal means ay pagkakulong ng 2 taon at 1 araw o 20 years.